Most sellers have no idea you can do a reverse image search on Alibaba and find suppliers fast. I'll show you how to do it in today's video. So first, you're gonna find a product you wanna launch. So this is a touchless vacuum. You just swipe stuff near it, boom, it sucks it up, and they're making tons of money. So maybe you wanna compete against them and at least find the manufacturer and make yours not look like a little triangle, make yours look cooler and more normal, right? You can go to Alibaba.com. On your desktop, they have this search image. You can literally just paste that link in. Again, I right-clicked, copy image address, pasted it in here, click search, then automatically it's going to help me find different manufacturers. Now, it's focusing on the mop right here, or the brush, but we're gonna focus on the device, and there it is. That was quick. So it's one of the easiest and quickest ways to find manufacturers. $43 a piece, and we go here, and they're selling for $149. So an insane, practically $100 profit margin on this item, and we already found a manufacturer. So super quick on this. It doesn't just work on Amazon. If you found a product on TikTok, if you found a product, let's say Shark Tank, the TV show, and you were like, oh my gosh, I want to launch these Woobles crochet kits, right? You could take a screenshot, save it as an image, and if the link doesn't work, you click this button and you click upload a file. So you can upload an image from your phone, from anywhere, from a TV show. And once you upload an image, you post it here, and then it'll do a reverse image analysis, and you can search. Let's say we found the fox. What about the penguin? Boom, another manufacturer, 11 years in business, 16 years in business, a fox, a bunny, right? And again, you don't want to rip other brand names off, but again, this is just a great tool to find manufacturers because maybe they specialize in crochet and you want to make your own crochet kit. But that's it for today's video. Have you ever used Alibaba's reverse image search before? How did it help with your product? Leave it below. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, find products for you, talk to the manufacturers, launch them on Amazon, do your customer service advertising, and of course, increase your sales. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business, like talking to manufacturers, negotiating pricing, helping you increase your sales. We'll do it all so you can save time, money, and increase your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.